Hello, fellow TD Scum model railroaders. This little black and blue monster that's running around my layout is one of my MTB SW units with a newer cannon motor installed in it. And right now this is just the test phase to see how the new motor handles. It's been running for about 10 minutes now, and at about 80% power, about 10.5 volts right now DC. And you can see how fast it's moving and how quiet it is. I actually had to park this train here in order to be able to hear the new motor equipped chassis. Over the next few days, I'll have more found out about how this performs, and if all goes well, the remainder of my SW fleet that has motor damage or other issues will receive the new motors.